How to stay focused amidst distraction. Well, it's one of the very most important topic that we are going to discuss today, and it's a very general topic which is also very related to our lives. So let us understand what is the meaning of this particular topic. As the topic itself is very self-explanatory, that how to stay focused when we are surrounded by lot of distractions. Now here we need to understand what are distractions basically. See, something which attracts you and makes you do that thing for a long period of time, and it's unproductive. So that can be something called as distraction. Well, the distraction can be from several objects. Like there are material things and there are some immaterial things also. Like material things might include such kind of physical objects like mobile phones, applications, and then fancy objects, maybe cars, and so many other things. By looking at which we get distracted, we start thinking that we also need to own such kind of things, and then we always keep thinking about it rather than doing some kind of productive work. At the same time, there are some immaterial things as well, like feeling of love, feeling of hatred, being envious, thinking something wrong about somebody else. So these are some of the things, these are some of the immaterial things due to which also you get distracted. See, when we get distracted, we keep doing that thing for a longer period of time. At the same time, we do not do something productive. It is also not necessary that when we do a particular work for a longer period of time, that means it is a distraction. No, we can do good things also for a longer period of time, of course. But then it is productive, right? Whereas in distraction, we do things for a longer period of time, but then it is not productive enough. So how to stay focused when we are surrounded with lots of distractions are there nowadays? Lots of social media influences there, lots of applications have come. People simply go on binge watching on Netflix and several social media apps. Simply we keep on scrolling the Facebook apps and a lot of things. Well, very first thing is that there are two, three things which I have noted down. I would like to tell it to you, and then by following those tips, you can definitely stay focused right away. The very first thing is prioritize or priorities. As I always say, we need to set our priorities. What things are important for us and what things are not that important for us. When we know that what are our priorities, I'm damn sure that you will be always able to differentiate between the work. Alright, differentiate between the productive work and the unproductive work. So analyze your priorities, make your priorities, write down on a paper, write down on a sheet, write down on your diary, and write down your priorities. What is important for me? Is binge watching on TV is more important than studying a good novel? Reading a good novel. So you need to understand those things. What are your priorities? What things are productive for me? Is doing that particular activity adding some value in my life? Then you can definitely say that it is a productive activity. So start analyzing your priorities and then do the work accordingly. This is one of the way of how to stay focused amidst distractions, because when we set our priorities, we know what do we have to do. We are not somebody who do not have a goal, right? Second thing is that practice a lot of meditation. Now many of the people might have told you this thing, but many people don't tell what is the reason behind practicing meditation. We need to improve our focus, we need to improve our concentration. So when we want to improve our concentration, we have to practice an exercise called as meditation. Meditation will not only help you health wise, but I'm telling you it will help you spiritually as well, because it is all mind game. So you need to understand this thing, that we should be the person who should be controlling our mind, and not the mind who should be controlling us. We need to have a very strong control on our thoughts, what to think, what not to think. So we need to make it sure that we are practicing meditation. We are making our mind so well trained enough that we are the ones who are controlling or overpowering our mind, and not letting mind overpower us. So that is one of the very most important thing. And the third and the last thing is that think of the ultimate goal. Think of the ultimate goal and think of the ultimate end result. सबसे आखिरी वाली चीज़ के बारे में सोचो. Think of the end result. Like for example, you have made a goal that I will be doing 1000 skipping in one day. So think of that 1000 skip, 1000 skip. That how will I reach there? Don't worry about the process. Just keep taking the small action, and I'm damn sure you will reach there ahead. So think about the end result and glorify that. Start celebrating it every day. Start celebrating it every day. What will happen is that you will feel happy every day. You will feel happy by glorifying the end result. You will start feeling happy every day. Ultimately, you will be able to stay more focused on your particular goal, particular track, right? So these are the some of the ways. Very first thing is prioritize. Second thing is do practice meditation, and third thing is think about the end result. Okay, think about the end result and glorify that. So these are the some of the points which I wanted to share. Do share this video and spread it to maximum people so that maximum people can get value. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until now, have a good time. See you good. Have a good day.